traverse the ground I intend to traverse on that occasion. And thus my remarks will be brief. The assignment of serving as the President's Minister of International Relations and Cooperation is both a privilege and a daunting challenge. When one thinks of luminaries such as Alfred Nzo, such as Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma, such as erudite Aziz Pai, one becomes nervous at this assignment. I hope to respond successfully to all these challenges that we will confront with your esteemed help and support. I come into this office at a time when I believe seismic challenges continue to face world leaders. All of us are called upon to develop effective responses to the dynamic changes that straddle domestic, regional, and global domains. So as ambassadors and us as the Department of International Relations and Cooperation, we have an extremely important role to play in ensuring that we overcome these seismic challenges.